sensibility and practicality define the 2008 Ford Fusion. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3-liter 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include power windows, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.